the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Prime versus the 2023 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid. Let's learn a bit more about these small plug-in hybrid SUVs. RAV4 Prime's electrified powertrain provides both generous EV-only range and efficient hybrid performance. With two sporty grades to choose from, RAV4 Prime features standard all-wheel drive across the lineup. RAV4 Prime has Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform, which includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. RAV4 Prime also comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes advanced features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. Now let's put RAV4 Prime and Escape plug-in hybrid side by side. RAV4 Prime is offered in two sport grades, SE and XSE. For added traction, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive is standard across the lineup. Escape plug-in hybrid is available in one grade. However, it's only offered in front-wheel drive configuration. RAV4 Prime's chiseled exterior styling features a unique grille, a sculpted front chin spoiler, and standard LED exterior lighting. And for some extra function and form, low-profile roof rails come standard across the RAV4 Prime lineup. RAV4 Prime XSE is available in two-tone exterior color combinations for some high-contrast style. RAV4 Prime XSE also has standard 19-inch alloy wheels for added flair. Finally, RAV4 Prime has options for an available power tilt-slide moonroof with one-touch open-close, or a panoramic glass roof. For 2023, Escape plug-in hybrid receives a revised front fascia, while LED lighting comes standard. Escape plug-in hybrid also features standard LED fog lamps and black roof rails. Escape plug-in hybrid has standard 18-inch wheels, though there's no option for anything bigger. The panoramic Vista roof is available as a standalone option. RAV4 Prime is all about convenience and comfort inside. This starts with either a standard 7-inch or newly available 12.3-inch multi-information display that helps keep crucial information and vehicle settings front and center. Plus, a 10-inch head-up display is also available on the XSE grade. Heated front seats are standard on RAV4 Prime, while optional heated and ventilated front seats and heated rear outboard passenger seats further enhance the cabin's comfort levels. For added convenience with high-tech flair, RAV4 Prime XSE has an available digital rear-view mirror that helps keep an eye on what's behind. When room is needed, RAV4 Prime's spacious cargo area has 69.8 cubic feet behind the front seats. Escape plug-in hybrid brings a range of convenience and comfort features as well. This starts with a standard 8-inch color LCD instrument cluster or an optional 12.3-inch full digital instrument cluster. To help keep crucial details within view, there's also an available head-up display. When it comes to cargo volume, Escape plug-in hybrid has 60.8 cubic feet behind the front seats. For 2023, RAV4 Prime comes standard with the new Toyota Audio Multimedia interface featuring either an 8-inch or 10.5-inch touchscreen. Regardless of screen size, this lets users tap into Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform, which includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. For an extra boost, RAV4 Prime has an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system to make the most out of Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform. RAV4 Prime also works seamlessly with Toyota's connected services, including trials on select grades for Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. Every RAV4 Prime also includes standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Escape plug-in hybrid features Ford's Sync 4 multimedia system with a 13.2-inch touchscreen. There's also wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto compatibility included. To bring extra fidelity and volume to these features, Escape Plug-in Hybrid can be equipped with an available 10-speaker B&O sound system. RAV4 Prime includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus standard. This active safety suite includes advanced features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Escape Plug-in Hybrid includes the Ford Copilot 360 Suite standard, though this can be upgraded to Ford Copilot 360 Assist 2.0, which adds intelligent adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, speed sign recognition, and evasive steering assist. RAV4 Prime is all about performance, with a plug-in hybrid 2.5-liter powertrain that produces 302 net horsepower. When rubber hits the road, a standard fully independent suspension keeps the drive smooth. Escape Plug-in Hybrid gets its power from a plug-in hybrid 2.5-liter engine. With only 210 net horsepower, this setup falls short of RAV4 Prime's output. RAV4 Prime has been recognized by the IIHS, who awarded it with a Top Safety Pick Plus rating for 2022. Plus, it includes a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty and an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, making it a smart choice for long-term ownership. And every RAV4 Prime comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, as well as 2 years and unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. Escape Plug-in Hybrid comes with an industry-standard warranty and 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance, whichever comes first. Blending EV performance with hybrid efficiency, RAV4 Prime is here to shake up the segment once again. And when you consider Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability, there's no question why RAV4 Prime takes the lead. Discover RAV4 Prime today at Toyota.com.